Hi guys, so tomorrow is your RBI Grade B Phase 2 exam and you must be nervous. That's okay, that's normal. It's a big day. Just remember one thing. It's our dreams, whether the effort we put in to achieve our dreams defines us, not the results. आज से 3 महीने पहले जब ये नोटिफिकेशन आया था, many of you might be confused, दें या ना दें, कैसे करेंगे, क्या हो पाएगा, but you plunged in. And you proved yourself by clearing phase 1, you're in the top 5% bracket. Yes, top 5% bracket. Just imagine, just realize that you're in the top 5% bracket. Now you need not be scared for tomorrow. There is nothing that can stop you. आपने already बहुत मेहनत की. I've seen students who were reading on weekends, who were writing answers till 2 a.m. in the night. One of my students called me and he was very sad that, sir, I cannot attend my cousin's marriage because I have to study for it and I'm feeling guilty for that. But I just told him, all these sacrifices are going to reap benefits. Just persist with them. Just persist. And you all persisted. So, you need not worry about anything because if you are a serious aspirant, you have done all you could do. और कल के लिए एक ही एडवाइस है, नॉलेज जितनी लेनी थी आप ले चुके हैं. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एग्जीक्यूट. एंड आई ऑलवेज से नॉलेज इज नॉट इक्वलेंट टू मार्क्स. 60% नॉलेज काम आएगी, 40% इमोशनल क्वेश्चन काम आएगा. हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस, हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू गेस, हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू डिलीवर अंडर एग्जाम प्रेशर, ये सारी चीजें आपको समझनी होंगी. So for today, I would suggest that do not read till late night. Take it easy, be calm. And tomorrow you will be able to give your best in the exam only if you stay relaxed. That's it. Stay relaxed. Maybe today you are in the dark, but there is a sunshine awaiting you. Just believe in that. I'm sure you will fly high. So best of luck, guys, and be positive, and the result will be in your favor. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Signing off for now.